my risk when I entered this trade was 361. That's the most that I could lose. Now it's only worth $27. Now it still could cost me 500 bucks. So let's look at what that math looks like. If I paid $500 to close and I only got $27 to open, my risk is 463. Let's see if I can do math on the fly. Hopefully that's right. 463 is the risk. The reason I show you this is because it's important to understand that the trade changes over time. In the beginning, this 361 was the amount of risk, but I was trying to make 139. Now my potential, I'm trying to make 27, I'm risking 463. This is a way smaller return, trying to make 27 on 463. And when you talk about people closing early, this is one of the reasons why we would close early, because holding the expiration only makes me an additional $27, and I have $500 in capital or $463 in risk on right now. I have more risk than potential reward. I would rather enter a new trade, close this early. So that's what I'm going to do.